Hey, it's Mike from Party 4 Crafts. I'm back in the school makerspace where the Glowforge is, and I'm going to be doing a two-part video on cutting boards. So the first one is going to be how do you do cutting boards that are too thick to have the crumb tray in. Super simple method, no math tool, just very, very easy. And the second one is going to be how to get your design centered on a cutting board. So I'm lazy, and sometimes that pays off in coming up with super simple ways to do things that is fast and easy and doesn't require any special equipment. And this is one of those times. So for me, when I want to take the crumb tray out and put a thicker piece of material in, like this 3/4 inch wood, all I'm trying to do is get the wood level with this bottom belt right here. That's all you have to do. There's no math, there's no tool, just put stuff under it until it's about level with that bottom belt. That's it. And so this 3/4 inch material, I found two pieces of wood that when I stack them on top of each other, they're right level with that bottom belt. That's it. That's all there is to it. Now, I got to try to do this with just one hand. I just stack the material on top of those pieces of wood. And it's at just the right height that I need right there at the bottom of the belt, and it'll run just perfectly fine with the Glowforge. Make sure to use set focus when you do this, because otherwise you have to measure anyhow and then it defeats the purpose. So set focus, just line it up with that bottom belt, and that's all you need to do to take the crumb tray out and get things perfectly to the right height so that you can engrave them on your Glowforge. So this will be my shortest video ever, but that's what I love. Super simple things, very easy, no math, no tools. All right, I'll see you on the next one for how to center designs on your cutting boards.